Welcome to this presentation on potential utilization of fish waste for the sustainable production of microalgae rich in renewable protein and phycocyanin Arthrospira platensis, spirulina. This research was conducted by M. Base, Premalata et al. And published in 9th February 2021. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The fish processing industry generates substantial amounts of solid biological waste such as heads, trimmings, skin, viscera, and bones, which can have significant environmental impacts. Conventional disposal methods, like landfills and incineration, are costly and environmentally damaging, while other approaches like anaerobic digestion and composting have limitations. Valorizing fish waste through methods that produce effluents with high organic loads is also costly. Fish waste catla. Sea catla was collected and subjected to enzymatic hydrolysis using alkalas to produce fish protein hydrolysate FPH. The FPH was characterized for its proximate composition, amino acid profile, and FTIR spectrum. Spirulina arthrospira platensis was cultivated in a modified Zaruk medium where inorganic nitrogen sodium nitrate was replaced with varying concentrations of FPH 0.121 VV. The FPH derived from fish waste contained 68 protein and was rich in essential amino acids. Cultivation of spirulina with zero point 0.5 FPH resulted in a significant increase in dry cell weight 34 and biomass productivity 39 compared to the conventional medium. Protein content was highest 70 at 0.7 FPH, an increase of 17 over the control. The results demonstrate that fish protein hydrolysate FPH from fish waste is a viable and effective organic nitrogen source for spirulina cultivation, offering advantages over traditional inorganic nitrogen sources. The optimal concentration of FPH for enhanced growth, biomass productivity, and phycocyanin production was found to be 0.5. Higher concentrations of FPH led to a plateau or decrease in growth and assimilation rates, suggesting potential inhibitory effects. This study successfully demonstrated the potential of utilizing fish waste derived fish protein hydrolysate FPH as an organic nitrogen source for sustainable spirulina arthrospira platensis cultivation. The optimal FPH concentration of 0.5 significantly enhanced dry cell weight 34 and biomass productivity 39 compared to the conventional inorganic nitrogen source.